Welcome, seekers of fire and fervor. Today, we rest in our happiness, a beautiful, serene landscape. But just over the horizon, there's a vibrant glow of passion waiting to ignite. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and allow your happiness to radiate from within as we prepare to light the flame of your passion. Let's first acknowledge the happiness you carry. Inhale deeply, absorbing the lightness and joy of this moment. Exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension. Your heart is light, your spirit is buoyant. This is the foundation from which your passion will rise. Now, with every breath, envision stoking the embers of your heart. Each inhale fans the flames, each exhale brightens the glow. Your happiness is becoming warmer, more intense. It's transforming into a burning desire to explore, to create, to live passionately. Picture in your mind's eye a spark. This spark represents a dream, a hobby, a love, anything that brings intense joy. See this spark grow into a flame. What color is it? How does it make you feel? Let this warmth spread through your entire being. As the flame grows, so does your inner world. Visualize yourself engaging in an activity that you love, that makes time stand still. It could be painting on a vast canvas, strumming a guitar, or diving into ocean waves. Immerse yourself in this scene. Feel the elation, the energy, the passion of the moment. With your heart's flame now blazing, repeat these affirmations. My passions give shape to my purpose. With every beat of my heart, my life is infused with energy and excitement. I pursue my passions with courage and unbridled enthusiasm. Let these words be the fuel that turns your happiness into a roaring passion. As our meditation comes to a close, take a final, deep breath. Feel the power of your passion within you, ready to guide your actions and color your experiences. Gently open your eyes, carrying this fervor into every aspect of your life. If this meditation has sparked a flame within you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Share this journey with others who may be seeking their passion, and together, let's create a world ablaze with purpose and joy. Your support fans our flames and helps us bring light to others. Thank you for meditating with us today.